Hey, what's up guys? It's time to talk about the next big thing in the crypto market. Capo of Crypto is here to take over. With a market cap of over $30 million, a recent MEXC listing, and now one of the top 4 highest volume coins on all chains, we have to ask ourselves, is Capo the next Pepe? Welcome back to the channel where we bring you all the latest news and updates from the crypto world. Today we're talking about Capo of Crypto, a new project that's been making waves in the market. The first thing that catches our attention is the holders count, which has surpassed 10,000 in just a few days since its launch. That's an impressive feat for a new project. But the real game changer was the recent MEXC listing, which brought even more attention to this project. But let's address the elephant in the room. Is Capo the next Pepe? For those of you who don't know, Pepe was a meme-based token that gained a lot of popularity and was even featured on mainstream news outlets. Its success was largely due to its community and the fact that it was a meme. Capo, on the other hand, is not a meme-based token, but that doesn't mean it can't be just as successful. In fact, it's already making some serious moves in the market. So, is Capo the next big thing in the crypto market? Only time will tell, but with a growing community, a high trading volume, and a market cap that keeps increasing, it's definitely a project to keep an eye on. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest trends in the crypto market. Thanks for watching.